Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We finally hit 200 subscribers, so yay. And today's video is gonna be a get to know the Tech Republic video because it's 200 subscribers, so it's a 200 subscriber special. So let's just get right into it. So a bit of background on this video. Once I hit 200 subscribers on Instagram, I used one of those question answer kind of thingies, the sticker thing, to let all of my followers ask me questions that I will answer in this video. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, follow me over here. That's my username, I guess. Yeah, so if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me, and let's get right into the questions. And with the questions, I have categorized them because I wanted to make it a cohesive video. So I've linked timestamps down in the bottom based on what set of questions I'm answering. So if you don't want to see one category, you can skip to the next with the timestamp. So yeah, I do this a lot, don't I? Okay, so the first question is, tell us about yourself. So, hi, I'm Rida. I am 17 and I am a rising senior at BISV. And yeah, that's basically who I am. And stuff I like to do, I guess, is I like making YouTube videos for the Tech Republic. I like to make apps. I like to talk about politics. And I love listening to Taylor Swift. So that's basically who I am. Okay, so next one is, what is your favorite color and why? And for this one, I'm gonna say red because Lightning McQueen and this. Okay, so the next one is, who is your biggest inspiration? So of course, I think my biggest inspiration would probably be my parents, just because when we moved from India to the US, it was pretty harsh on us, but they were really nice and they handled it pretty well. And we all had like a lot of hardships because moving countries is hard, I guess. And so my parents, because they moved to the US and have managed all of this, so they've gone through a lot, and that's why they probably are my biggest inspiration. Yeah, I mean, sure, if it's like, I could probably say like Steve Jobs or Greg Federighi or someone, but if I'm completely honest, it's my parents. And don't get me wrong, I don't mean to discredit any of them in any way. They are pretty inspirational, but yeah. Okay, so that was it for the personal category. Now let's move on to the YouTube category. So the first question in the YouTube category is, what other genre YouTube channel would you make? So I don't know if I'd make another YouTube channel personally, just because it's pretty hard to get a lot of subscribers, so I don't want to make like a second channel. But if I was to branch out the Tech Republic, first place I'd probably go is make CS tutorials, because I like CS, I guess, and it's a lot of fun learning about these new algorithms. And for me, when I learn something new, I always have my little new way of learning it, and if it helps someone else, then why not share it? So CS tutorials probably be the second thing I'd branch out to. And in the long run, probably, if this becomes big, I guess, I'd probably make like video editing, not tutorials, but just like cool cinematic videos, vlog-esque videos, but not really vlog videos. So yeah. So the next two are pretty similar, so I'm just gonna answer one of them because it's shorter to say. What inspired you to start the Tech Republic? So when I started the Tech Republic, I didn't know if I wanted to make like a full YouTube channel. I actually didn't want to make a full YouTube channel at the time. I was on like TechCrunch or something, and I read about this like YouTube hack that can change your YouTube from light to dark mode. And at that time, getting things to dark mode was a pretty big thing, at least in like the tech world, I think. So, and I was like reading the article, I'm like, this is not really comprehensive to follow, so let's just make a YouTube video on it, because why not? And I'm pretty sure there probably was another YouTube video, but I just wanted to make one and share it with my friends, and that's pretty much what I did. And then I saw it got like 100 views in a day, which at that time was like, wow. And so I made that, and then the next week I made like the snap codes video, and that's how the channel started pretty much. Okay, so the next one is, what is your favorite video? My favorite video probably is going to be is a smart switch worth it? And that's because, well, a lot of reasons. Probably because firstly I was kind of in like a slump before making that video. So yeah, I hadn't made a YouTube video in a while, and smart switches they're pretty fascinating to me, just because I mean, like I'm asleep at night, right? And I don't want to get up from the bed to turn off the lights. So having a smart switch with voice control was just so much fun. And just making that video itself with like the Guess Who's Back song.
Okay, turning on the light.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Thing that was just fun. I mean, it didn't get a lot of views because I kind of screwed up the editing with the sound, but definitely my favorite video to make. Yep. Okay, I've been talking for a long time. The next one is longest video that you took to make. So I guess this one really depends on like what it means in terms of the length of a video, because so there have been videos I've had an idea in my mind and I've made over like a long period of time. So like I think the longest in terms of the entire video would probably be the Apple Park tutorial, just because I didn't go there all the time. Like I went there probably once in like September and I shot some footage, then probably another time in October, and then once in November. And so like even though it's like a 1 minute video, I went on like 3 different instances to shoot footage. So in that sense that was the longest video to make. But longest video at a stretch just talking to the camera would probably be the Apple Glass one, which was one of my more recent videos, because that was I think like a 10 or 11 minute video, and the bulk of it is just me speaking. And when you're making a YouTube video, you can probably say a lot of different words like randomly, and there's so many like errors you make. It's kind of frustrating, but it's fun. The entire process is fun. So I think that took like 6 hours at a stretch. Even though it's just like 10 minutes of footage, it actually took me 6 hours to just film everything. And also I took like a 1 hour Netflix break in between, I guess. But yeah, that took me 6 hours pretty much. So like 10 to oh no, sorry, not 10. I think 8 to 2. Yeah, 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. 6 hours of my life, but it was a lot of fun. So I'm not gonna change anything about it. So that was the longest video at a stretch. Okay, so the next one is, what is your least favorite video? Or fave video. I think I answered the favorite video one, so I'm just gonna go least favorite video this time. And I actually don't know, so I'm gonna have to like look up my YouTube channel once. So
One eternity later.
So I think the least favorite one, right? Yeah. So my least favorite video was probably the new Gmail, I guess. I mean, I don't know if a lot of you guys have even seen it, because it's kind of a stupid video in the sense that I just talked about what's new about Gmail, and that was in 2018. So I think that would probably be my least favorite video. But yeah, I think I don't really have like a least favorite video per se, but the new Gmail I guess would be the one I completely forgot about until now. So yeah. Okay, so I think that's it for the YouTube section. Now I'm going to go to the third category, which is tech in general. So the first question is how to use a VPN. So I'm not going to go into that in this video, but also I know there are probably tons of videos out there that are better than any video I could make on how to use a VPN, I guess. So I'm just gonna link my favorite one in the description. But if you guys want me to make a video on how to use a VPN, then if I get 25 likes on this video, then I will make a video on how to use a VPN. But yeah, cringy YouTube like thingy, whatever. Yeah. So the next one is just hacks. Now, I don't know what this is, but I think it probably means my favorite hack or my favorite tech hack. So here goes. Okay, so my favorite hack is this one that you can use on iOS. So did you know that your phone actually has an inbuilt scanner? So you don't really need to download an app like Cam Scanner or whatever the other apps are, because the Notes app on your phone has a scanner built in. So I'm in a note right now, and if you tap on the camera icon at the bottom here, you get this action sheet, and you can click on scan documents, and it'll automatically scan it for you. And I didn't even have to click the button. You can edit the coloring and stuff. So I'm just gonna make it black and white because it's nice that way. And then hit done and save. And then you can actually even share it via email and stuff like that. So that's a quick hack. Okay, so the next one is, when can Apple start being innovative again? So I'm just gonna say WWDC, Apple Silicon, pretty great. And if you don't agree with me, I think something that a lot of people can attest to is that if you look at how the Magic Keyboard, or not the Magic Keyboard, but like trackpads work on iPadOS with the entire changing of the state of like the mouse and everything, I think that is pretty innovative, and not a lot of other companies probably thought of that. So I think they did a really good job making like the iPad experience better with a mouse or trackpad support. So that's one thing that everyone could probably attest to, is that Apple's being innovative. And so that's it for the tech category, and our last one is so the next question, or the last question, is why is Chelsea so... I'm gonna have to blow that out. They are not. We are currently fourth on the table as of recording this video, and next season we're gonna have this guy and this guy, so we're not. Thanks. If you actually watched to the end and don't know what Chelsea is a football club. Yes, football club, not soccer. Football. And by football I do mean soccer, but football, because I like saying football for football. You get what I mean. It's a football club that in London that I've followed since a while, and I really love. So yeah, Chelsea is a football team, if that makes sense. And so that is it for the video, I guess. So if you liked it, definitely leave a like down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video kind of gave you a more inside look on the Tech Republic and me personally. And yeah, so I hope that helped in some way or the other. I don't know if it would, I don't see why it would, but you know, if you have some free time and you're just like busy on YouTube, not busy on YouTube, but just watching YouTube videos, now I guess you know me personally. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.